Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can chat with Wise. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first and foremost, to chat with Wise, all you need to do is simply tap open your Wise app. So once you open your Wise app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the profile like icon on the left hand side of the corner and simply scroll down and tap on the help option. So once you do so, all you need to do now is select how the Wise team can help you or simply tap on the contact us option. You need to give a brief about what problem you're suffering from, so select any one of it, select an issue as well. Once you do this, now you need to tap on I still need help. So now you will end up in this page where you can see the chatbot option is not available on your Wise account or app. So the only way to chat with them is through email, or you can also phone them on Monday to Friday from 9 to 5. So this way you can chat with Wise. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.